Ever wondered if that spare change you're investing is actually safe? You know, those micro-investing apps that promise to grow your money effortlessly. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular players in this space, Raiz. Is it a secure platform for your hard-earned cash, or are there hidden risks you should be aware of? Raiz, previously known as Acorns in some regions, has gained significant traction by making investing accessible to everyone, especially those new to the financial world. Its core concept of roundups, investing the spare change from your everyday purchases, makes it incredibly easy to start building a portfolio without feeling like you're actively setting aside large sums. But convenience aside, the question of safety is paramount when it comes to your money. First off, let's talk about regulation. This is often the first thing to check with any financial service. Raiz Invest Limited is an ASX-listed financial services company and is regulated by ASIC, Australian Securities and Investments Commission. This is a crucial point, as it means Raiz operates under a strict regulatory framework designed to protect investors. They are subject to scrutiny and auditing, which adds a layer of accountability and oversight. Next, security features. Raiz employs several robust measures to protect your data and funds. They use 256-bit encryption, which is the same high-level security used by leading banks and financial institutions. This ensures that your personal and financial information is encrypted both in transit and at rest on their secure servers. They also utilize multi-factor authentication, MFA, to prevent unauthorized access to your account, requiring more than just a password to log in. Furthermore, Raiz states they do not sell or rent your personal information to third parties, which is a major privacy consideration for many users. Your funds are also insured against fraudulent and criminal activity through reputable insurers like Lloyd's of London. A common concern with micro-investing apps is how your investments are held. With Raiz, your investments aren't held directly by you in your name, like with Chess-sponsored shares. Instead, they are held by an independent third-party custodian. This is a common practice in managed investment schemes. The important aspect here is that if Raiz were to go out of business, your assets would still be safely held by the custodian and returned to you, not to Raiz creditors. Now, it's important to differentiate between the security of the platform and investment risk. While Raiz takes significant steps to secure your account and data, investing always carries inherent risks. Your money is invested in real assets, primarily exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which means the value of your investments can go up or down based on market fluctuations. Raiz offers various portfolios with different risk profiles, from conservative to aggressive, allowing you to choose one that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment horizon. However, the possibility of losing money due to market downturns is a fundamental aspect of investing, and Raiz, like any investment platform, cannot eliminate this. They do, however, advocate for long-term investing to ride out market volatility. Some user reviews highlight concerns about fees, particularly for smaller balances, where the monthly maintenance fee can eat into returns. This isn't a safety concern but an important financial consideration. However, in terms of the platform's security and legitimacy, user feedback generally indicates it's safe and reliable. Many users have reported no issues with depositing or withdrawing funds over several years. When it comes to the safety of your data and funds, Raiz appears to be a very secure platform, leveraging bank-level encryption, multi-factor authentication, regulatory oversight, and independent custodianship. The primary risk you face with Raiz, as with any investment, is market volatility and the potential for your investments to decrease in value. However, this is distinct from the security of the platform itself. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.